First time it started in 1950s to 1980s. People have been trying to do AI, robotics. We have seen Terminator and stuff since a long time. The first programming language to do that was Lisp. So since then, people are trying to chase the dream of AI. After that, in 2000s, 1980s to 2000, which we call as AI winter or the ML growth, that's when machine algorithm was introduced and people started to learn about artificial intelligence and machine learning. 2000s, that was the time when people started to use the power of GPUs to use NLP and deep learning, and big data was the big boom. 2005 was when the cloud came in, but 2000 to 2010, big data and cloud, you can see. 2020 is the time when first ChatGPT and all these things, all the generative, productive GPTs that we are talking about, that we see today, that were introduced. And as we know right now, we are in 2025, where everybody's talking about AI. Everybody wants to learn about AI, excuse me. And the world is moving towards agentic AI, influencers, voice agents. We see all these things getting prepared and they're getting created in n8n. At this day and age, learning AI is imperative. I don't want you to be afraid of AI. In fact, we are going to use AI. We're going to learn it to empower ourselves and not be afraid about the future.